Today, I am going to introduce you to a comic creator tool called Pixton. Pixton is a click and drag comic book maker. It gives you the power to create amazing comics on the web. From fully posable characters to dynamic panels, props, and speech bubbles, every aspect of a comic can be controlled in a click and drag motion. Pixton is a fun comic strip tool students can use to tell stories, illustrate concepts, and demonstrate their understanding of the content they learn in class. Choosing from a searchable menu of thousands of characters, backgrounds, and templates for all subject areas and grade levels, students can create storyboards with a choice of several layouts. Captions can be added to each cell along with speech bubbles. For teachers, Pixton provides a dashboard and rubric creation tools. You also have access to a library of lesson plans in over a dozen different subject areas. These give the teacher step-by-step plans for introducing concepts, then offer a Pixton project for students to complete. Examples of finished projects are included. Finally, Pixton has its own community of comic makers. In this community, students can browse comics created by others, share their own, and rate comics created by others. This activity should be supervised, as it wouldn't be hard to find comics with inappropriate content. To set up a class on Pixton, first you name your group and then choose the grade level and subject area. Then click Save Group. Next, you assign an activity. You can import a lesson from lesson plans, or you can create an assignment from scratch. I'm going to show you how to import a lesson from the lesson plans. When you find your lesson, click on the panel. It will take you to the lesson plan, in which there are 4 activities. The first, events leading to the Civil War. Second, Abraham Lincoln versus Jefferson Davis. Third, battles of the Civil War. And then 2 extensions or modifications. We're going to choose events leading to the Civil War. It will give you the featured layout, the instructions for the assignment, as well as the rubric. After choosing your assignment, then you can add students. You click the Add People button and you would add students. Pixton is not a free technology tool. There is a 15-day trial and then 3 options under the purchase a license. You can add 25 students for $8.99 a month, 50 students for $13.99 a month, and 100 students for $22.99 a month. Next, I am going to show you how to create a comic from scratch. I have already started the first panel of my comic. The first button allows you to add a character. The second button allows you to add a speech bubble and text. The next button allows you to add a prop. There are many different props to choose from, and you can search by keyword. The last button allows you to add a background. To add a new panel, you click the plus button. We can zoom in by moving the lever up and down. We can also pose our characters and change their location. We can change the expression on their faces. We can turn their heads. We can edit the way they look. We can change the color of their coat, their pants, their hair, their hat, and we can edit the proportions. To add a new panel, click the plus button. Although I found the user interface a bit difficult to navigate, Pixton does seem to have a good set of tools for robust comic strip creation. This concludes my tutorial on Pixton.